What's good, everyone? Hey, everyone. My name is XAUUSD. Welcome to my YouTube channel, man. In today's video, man, I'll be breaking down XAUUSD, man. That's gold versus US dollar. Using a complete top-down analysis, I'm going to show you how to understand the market structure, identify key levels, and prepare for potential trading setups. If you are new here, man, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because you've got a lot more forex breakdowns coming your way. So without any further waste of time, man, I'll just take you to my chart. As you can see already, I have been trading this for a while now. So yeah, what I'll be doing basically, like, I'll just clear off the chart completely, starting off on a new naked chart. So starting off from a daily time frame. So why am I doing this is because I want to understand the overall time frame, like understand the overall direction of the market, just going big before we go micro, you know what I'm saying? So so with that being said, also what I like to do is turn on the line charts. Why am I doing so is because I want to take out this noise, this, you know what I'm saying, these spikes, so I can analyze on a clear naked chart. You know what I'm saying? That's the psychology behind it. Obviously, what I start about is I is buying key levels, as I said. So this is my highest high ever, you know what I'm saying? And also my low, current low here. So currently, I wanna like stick to the current price as much as possible, cause like there's not much information here. Other than that, I wanna stay current. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we can see that the market is kind of like, I won't say trapped, but it's currently inside this zone here. So we're gonna scale in on a 4 time frame. So what I do also here is just to cater for the most obvious zones. Like I also like want to also like fix this, right? So yeah, also what I like to do, like understanding how to also understand like key levels and those levels, etc. It's you also doing what you call left, so you can understand right. What I mean about that is that I'm gonna take also like the previous price to use it for my advantage in the current price, or take the price from the left and then bring it to the right for my advantage. It's simply price action, looking at the left to predict what's going to happen on the right. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, as you can see here, we have a potential low here. So this means if the market comes in the future, this low can be a potential. You know what I'm saying? So in this case, we are going to be using this one. So this is a level of interest. Why? Is because the market is constantly rejecting whenever it comes to this level. You can see the market constantly rejecting whenever it comes to this level. Does make it a level of interest, right? So yeah, that's how we identify key levels, guys. So also we want to cater for this current high here because the market has been consistently, consistently like giving us rejecting and giving us pretty much like a reaction whenever it comes to this level. Hence, it's a level of interest also here, guys. So yeah. So currently, I'm done with my lows and highs. So what I want to do is also identify the trend, right? We can see, doesn't necessarily mean that you can take it from the 4 time frame. That's if like you want to do it. It's not a priority, you know what I'm saying? So, but also it's a priority in a sense. We understand that the market is kind of like, yeah, I would say like it's successfully broken outside this downtrend. As you can see, the market has been downtrending. As you can see that the market gave us a double top then, and the market was constantly giving us series of lower lows and lower highs to the downside. So we can see the market, instead of giving us a lower low and a lower high to perpetuate this momentum, the market has given us a lower high. So I want also make you understand what I mean about that. So as you can see, if I can take this price here on the side, I'll make you understand it. So what I mean about that is because is that look at this. So the market was giving us lower lows and lower highs towards the downside. As you can see, we have a lower high then a lower high here, right? And we have a lower lows down here, right? So the market was constantly just inside a downtrend, right? If I can take also my trend line, you'll see what I mean. So this is just a downtrend, as you can see. So yeah, the psychology, the difference come in here. So we can see that the market, instead of giving us the possible continuation to perpetuate this momentum to our downside, instead the market giving us something completely different, something completely strange, and also, you know what I'm saying? So what the market did is that instead of giving us at least an equal low or a break below and a retest of a lower high as a perpetuation or continuation of this downtrend, hence instead the market giving us a higher low. Why am I saying this is a higher low, guys? It's because look at this. I'll say, let me just identify it. This is a higher low, right? And why am I saying so? It's because this low, it's high. This low is higher. This low is low, as you can see, hence lower low. But this one is higher. It's not even equal, no lower, but it's high. Hence, this is a high low, which gives us a confluence of a breakout structure, guys. Which means that the market has 90% chance to give us a different trend. So afterwards, the market has indeed perpetuated a bit, giving us a higher high here. Why is this a higher high? It's because of the market, because of this high, it's higher than this high here. There's lower high here. So if it was an equal low, equal high or something else, but this high is higher than this lower high here or a high here. So hence this is a high high. And again, this is a higher low. Why? It's because of this low here is, oh, this low here it's higher than this previous low, or this two past lows here. Hence this is confirmed in a breakout structure, guys. So this is confirmed, yes, a breakout structure. So how are we gonna tackle or look for further entries in the future? Is the market giving us a high that is above this high, or just an equal high here and retest above this level, this high, previous high here? Then that's when we're gonna like, yeah, enter for aim for an entry, guys. Yeah, that's how it is. So with that being said, this is purely market structure, guys. That's how you look at market structure. So the market always gonna give you something different, but if you can dive in deeper to understand what it's doing, you will see the same thing repeating itself. So in this sense, we see that the market has been constantly like, I'm sorry about that, giving us a buy momentum sort of upside. So with that being said, we want to like also take advantage of that, understanding the market structure, guys. So yeah, with that being said, we can see that, but this will only happen if we break above this high here, because this is a selling zone. Whenever we are below this level, we can look for sales, despite the fact that we are inside a possible bullish trend. As long as we are below this level, we are still bearish in a sense. Somehow we are still bearish. Why? It's because of we are still trapped by this level here. We can also see bearish order blocks here. If I can turn on this, we will see bearish order blocks. You can see that the market is, yes, that doesn't mean it's like the market won't go bearish because we don't have a bearish order block here. But if I can go lower, you'll see it. Exactly my point. You see, we have a supply zone even. So yeah, with that being said, I'll just switch off that and then completely go here and try to understand what's going on. Yes, sir. So I wanna also like fix this. Yeah, I said these previous levels tend to play in our favor in the future, guys. So this is what I meant, guys. As you can see that the market has given us a buying momentum here. So this is why key levels are so important in trading. You know what I'm saying? With this, so yeah, with that being said, we see a zone here. What is a zone, guys? A zone is a level where the market doesn't have only one touch but multiple touches. You know what I'm saying? So you can see that the market, even though this is a high, but the market can still choose to play wherever, however, you know what I'm saying? Meaning that the market, instead of giving us a sell here, just right away here, it can still choose to give us a sell here. You know what I'm saying? This is hence why we call this a zone. And to look for a buy, it's when the market has completely broken outside this zone and giving us a high that is above at least this high here, you see, at least this high here, and obviously again this high. But as long as it is above this highs, then a retest above any level here will mean that the market is giving us a completely different um direction. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. With that being said, I want to also identify this level here because we have a amazing level here, beautiful level. As you can see, that the market has been like going to a downside. I'm saying, or like rejecting this level a few times whenever it is on this level. You can see, but this is more of an immediate level, guys. This is not a what you call a key level area, but an immediate level. What is an immediate level? An immediate level is a level where the market, which the market uses to like for continuations inside a zone or a level between two levels, between key two levels, right? So in this sense, this is our immediate level, and what I like to do is I like to turn it into a goal level. Yeah, this is my immediate level. So the market likes to use this level or this levels as continuation. So should we have a correction here above, then this is would be our continuation level. You know what I'm saying? This is continuation levels in disguise. That's how what I mean. So yeah, so currently, that's where we're looking for entries. Yeah, this is a level where we'll be expecting entries, right? So let's see the time frame. Let's see what's going on. So you can see that the market also was just giving us a bullish trend here. So also um trend lines trends in lower time frames are also paramount to use because of you also are current state trying to be current and looking for an entry. So that's so important for you to, you know what I'm saying, adhere to, you know what I'm saying. So with that being said, we can see that the market is still below this level. So which means the market, whenever and however it chooses to behave, we are still going to sell as long as we are below this level. That's when if the market gives us a confluence or rather a confirmation. So we are looking for at least a bearish engulfing below this level, then we'll answer. Here, all right, as long as we're below this level and the market gives us you know what I'm saying, a confluence or a reason to enter, which is a good candlestick confirmation, then that's when we will enter. Or below this level, that's when also it will be more convenient to enter because you are all the way below this lows here. That's when we will enter again. So yeah, with that being said, let me just fix this. But our sales also, guys, must be scalped, not necessarily long-term sales. We are not looking for long-term sales. Reason being that we are just outside this overall sell, okay, or downtrend. If you can go on it our time frame, you'll see it. You saw it, guys. So yeah, whenever we are here, that's when we'll be looking for souls and then short souls also, guys, because we are below and above a level of interest, guys. So yeah, with that being said, the opposite is also true. Should the market fail, then to give us this sell, that's when we're looking for the market to give us a high and a retest above it with a high low, then we'll enter our buys. Simple, simple as that, guys. Don't confuse yourself in the market, guys. The market will always respect you, guys. As long as you are a crocodile in the market will always come to you and you will kill. Always trade less and kill, guys. Trade less, meaning that doesn't mean it was like when you see a trade you should like just avoid it. Nah, I'm only emphasizing on the fact that wait for your prey to come to you, analyze the market, and wait for the positions to play in. You know what I'm saying? Then that's when you take it in a trade and kill. That's only what I mean. So with that being said, we're just gonna wait and see how the market behaves. So with that being said, this is my predictions for gold. You know what I'm saying? So let's see how the market is going to play. And my stop loss is just here. Also, you want to give the market time to play, and in you placing stop losses, you need to let the market breathe a bit. You know what I'm saying? So should the market break above this level retest, then that's when we'll be buying. You know what I'm saying? So that's how pretty much it is. So what you wanna do also after analyzing is you want to also journal your trades, right? Meaning that as I'm done like this, I wanna quickly go to this and then download image, or just press Control Alt and S shortcut. You see, just journal your trades. So this is how I'll be looking for my trades this week, guys. Otherwise, it's Kato did it, man. And thank you for watching. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, sir.